Welcome to Disability UK. I'm Joy, and I'll be leading you through this adapted chair workout today. All you'll need is a chair. I've laid a mat down so that my chair doesn't scoot around. You do what works best for you, and a bottle of water. Press subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm going to start the music. And we're going to start marching to the pace of the music here. Starting out in a nice warm-up zone. So you're just going to match my pace here. Lifting your legs, marching to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can start pumping your arms. 2, 3. At any point, if you lose the beat and want to rejoin me on the same leg, not necessary. You can always tap and restart. In today's practice, we're going to be talking about fitness rules. There seem to be a lot of rules in the fitness world, and today we're going to break a lot of them. Again, we're just marching to warm up the body. Nice and gentle taps on the floor with your feet. You can pump your arms with the movement, or have them down by your side. Completely up to you. Myth number 1 is that you have to have huge, big, dynamic movements to be working out. Movement is all you need today. So if you need it to be less intense, this might be the level of movement you have today. That's fine. If you want to increase the intensity, you might start bringing those legs up, pumping those arms more. I'm going to come down, bring my intensity down a little bit. For me, fitness counts moving at any intensity. All right, our next song is going to increase the pace just a little bit. Let's pick up the beat here. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to vary our movement slightly by bringing our heel out. And we'll do that in 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's heel, 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 heel. Keep that going. Another myth is that we have to do these big, complicated movements for health and fitness. That's also not true. These heel taps are great. You tend to trip over your toes like I do because I have decreased sensation in my feet from my MS. Or if you're a little older and you've lost sensation or lost muscle to bring the toes up when you're walking, which can lead to trips, falls, right? So we want those muscles to be strong. Strong in a functional way. 4, 3, 2, 1, back to marching. So simple, Workouts like this, they're effective, help us to prevent injury. It all counts as fitness. Okay, our song is going to speed up again. So we'll wait for that beat to come. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. We're going to switch from those heel raises to those toe taps. And we're just going to tap the toe in front. In 4, 3, 2, 1. It's tap, tap. Excellent. Another myth is that you have to get your heart rate way super sky high, all the way to its max to be getting a good workout. Also not true. You can do endurance working out. You can keep a lower heart rate, strength workouts, keeping that lower heart rate. Tap, 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 tap. We're looking at movement. The pattern for today's workout is we're kind of going up a hill. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to marching. So we're kind of going up a hill. So we started at a lower pace. We're going to peak at a higher, nice brisk stroll pace. And we're going to come back down into our cool down. Now I immediately start sweating when I start moving, even if it's a gentle movement. How much you sweat doesn't mean that's how much you work out, or your workout was better or worse than anyone else's. Otherwise, just standing would be a workout for me all day, because I do start sweating immediately. If you're not sweating right now, that doesn't mean that you're not working out. That's okay. Keep up the pace. Make it as big or as small as you'd like. Moving on to our next song here. We're gonna wait. There's a little intro here, so we'll wait for that pace to drop. There we go. Now, if you want to make this a little bit more intense, you can raise arms overhead. So we'll do that in 4, 3, 2, 1. Just lift. Up, up, up. Now you may feel your heart rate increase with this move. If it's too much, there's nothing wrong with the arm swing. We'll go back up. You choose what's right for you today. We'll end the arms in 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Whoop, I lost the beat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit of a great brain teaser, right? Get that brain engaged. Now you can do all of this standing if that's in your capacity to do. Seated works just as well. If you're somewhere in between, you might put some ankle weights on and do this in sitting. So you're still getting that input, that resistance, that weight bearing, but not quite at standing yet. All right, as we go to the next song, if you need a sip of water, be sure to drink a sip of water. We'll catch the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, excellent. All right, we're gonna push forward now for our next move. And we'll that 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Reaching forward and back, working that chest and that back. Excellent. Reach. 2, 3, 4. 2. Do 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Another myth is that you have to go out to the gym and have lots of equipment to be working out. Obviously, we don't. You have a dining room chair, really any sort of chair that won't swallow you whole, so like a sofa doesn't really work well with this type of workout. Or a sturdier chair. There you go. You get everything you need to work out. And if you want to break it up throughout the day, you have particular music that you like and want to march to the beat of, pre-workout. Break it up into small segments throughout the day. Another myth is that your workout session has to be an hour long. It doesn't. Little bits of exercise throughout the day, great. Getting you the same heart healthy benefits, getting you the same benefits for your joint health. You don't have to slam it out for 90 minutes in the gym. If you did like 5 minutes of this type of walking throughout the day, seated, you build up to that same amount of time, same health benefit. And for some of us, a little bit more tolerable. Some of us have to pace, right? We can't last for that full 30 minutes. That's okay. Keep going. 4, 2, 1. Okay, we got a new song coming up. Okay, we're slowing it back down. So you already got to the peak of that hill. And we're coming down the other side of that peak. So the hardest part of this movement workout is finished. And now that our pace has slowed down a little bit, we're gonna get some brain activation going. We're gonna do a 1, 2, 3 tap. I'll show it first. Here's what it looks like. It's 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 3, tap. So we're shifting side to side. Join whenever we go. It's 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, tap. 3, tap. Tap. 2 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap. Last 1, 2, 3, tap. All right. March it out here. Excellent. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groove as much as you want. Two, 3. You did almost 15 minutes of a walking workout. We were at 14 minutes and some change, which is excellent. Before I let you go, let's do a really quick cool down. So I'm gonna have you extend one leg in front, nice and long, and you'll feel a nice stretch along the back of your leg as you fold forward. Inhale, exhale. Excellent. We're just going to switch legs here. So opposite leg comes out straight in front, toes pointed up towards the ceiling, and you're just leaning forward, feeling that stretch to the back of your leg. You could have a slight bend in your knee. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see I'm not hyperextending. We want to avoid that. None of that. We want slight bend in that knee, getting a nice stretch. Excellent. I'm going to have you breathe up, raise arms overhead. Exhale, arms come back down. Inhale, exhale, arms come back down. Excellent. Thank you for joining me for this quick adapted chair workout. Make sure you stay hydrated throughout the day. That is one fitness myth that is not a myth. Drink plenty of water, stay hydrated, and I'll see you again soon.